We're already a good chunk through the course. You learned a lot about Vue.js, about its different features, how to enhance it with animations, how to use components, and much more. Now we're nearing the end, though. Whilst that is true time-wise, there are big important chunks of features Vue.js offers us to come. For example, HTTP. Until now, we were contained in our application. We weren't able to reach out to a server. Though typically in a lot of applications, you from time to time need to reach out to a server. You need to fetch some resources, need to fetch some data or store some data there. Especially when building single page applications, something we'll really dive into in the next modules, in the last modules of this course. Especially when doing that, but not limited to this use case, you oftentimes need to make such requests. Now, a lot of the requests you do make, all requests in single page applications as a side note, but a lot of requests in a normal server-side application may want to be done via Ajax, which means in the background, behind the scenes, you don't necessarily want to send a request and get back a new page. You want to stay on the current page and only reload parts of it or reload some data or store some data whilst keeping the user on that page and not reloading it in the browser or navigating to another one. This is especially true for single page applications where the whole purpose is to stay on one single page, but it's true for other applications too. Therefore, in this module, we will dive into how we can use HTTP or how we can access the web from Vue.js.